Gotta heat up and I still forgot. Yeah, I'm not good. It's ready for me. Just count the brakes.
Oh yeah, we managed to put that motorcycle in the back. Hang in there, son. Hang in there. It's for the vlog. It is going to be motorcycle ride.
Leaf will jump into your ear and cause all this fungus to grow.
Oh my gosh.
So look
at my hair. What happened to my bangs and to my hair? They look stressed.
When you control others, things happen to you, huh?
Oh my gosh. Because we drove to get here with our windows open. So my hair is so messed up and stressed. It's okay. I'll fix it. What door? This one? Okay, guys. Yeah, that's a challenge. How are we going to take this out of the car? Finally, naibaba na rin ni Mister yung motorsiklo. Tapos yung anak ko, excited. Nagsuot na ng helmet kaagad. Kaya lang, hindi pa pala siya ready, guys. Meron pang step 2, step 3, and 4. Yan ay ang lagyan ng hangin ang gulong at syempre, gasolina.
But I think they're really... Okay. Where's the... You gotta open them up. Can you find the valve? Where's the valve?
It's right there.
Okay. Alright.
Right there.
I gotta get it closer to the...
Okay, I was asked to turn the car on. There we go. It's on. And are you gonna plug it in where? How do I plug this in? Okay, he wants to do it. Good job, son. Good job. Ooh. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa nila. I-plug in nila dito yan. Nilalagyan ni Mr. ng gas. What's the reason why you plug it in is because of the tire? You have to add some air on it. Anak, sagot! Okay. In English ko na hindi ako naintindihan. Tinagalog ko, sumagot. Aba? Wow. Ayan guys, hintayin lang natin silang matapos lagyan ng gas at air pressure sa gulong ng kanyang motorsiklo. Sasakay ako mamaya. May kasabihan nga, guys, no pain, no gain. Hi, Matthew. So guys, sasakay ako dito mamaya. Sasakay si Mami Sonic. O, diba? Maliit siya, mababa siya, but that's 3.0 HP. O, diba? Horsepower. Ayan. Stress na stress talaga yung buhok ko, guys. Ayun oh, masaya na naman ang anak ko. Pero guys, meron pang karugtong ang videong ito ha, may part 2. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa susunod kong uploads. At doon ay ako naman ang sasakay sa maliit na motorsiklo. Ciao! See you soon! I love you all!